the channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Ruth, and in this channel I share with you guys a lot of thrifting, DIY, art and design videos. And if you're watching this on the day that the video goes live, happy new year. 2020 is behind us now and it's time to get into 2021 with a new spirit, new excitement, and just a new perspective. I mean, 2020 has been a tough year for all of us, I'm sure. But it's time to say goodbye to 2020 and it's time to get into 2021 with new hope and new joy. If you haven't watched my last video where I take you guys along with me thrifting and shared with you guys some of the items that I got, feel free to switch over to that video before you watch this one. I will link the video down below in the description box. And if you've watched that video, I am going to be flipping some of the items that I got from thrifting in today's video. And these are just some simple and easy ideas to flip the items that you got from the thrift store, make it beautiful and give it a new finish for your home decor. So without further ado, let's get into it.